Look at it. This is the promised video about my fruiting Ceylon Hill Gooseberry. And as you can see, it is loaded with fruit. This shrub here, I had to secure it actually, so it will not fall over. It is not only a beautiful shrub, it's got beautiful flowers when it's in flower, but it's also super healthy, loaded with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. So definitely worth growing, and it is super easy to grow. It is super tough fruit and fruiting plant. I barely water it. Now we didn't have rain for ages, like really a month at least. You can see the leaves are starting to get dry, and I really have to give him some water, especially because it is fruiting now. The Ceylon Hill Gooseberry will grow in a range of climates and will easily cope with the cooler temperate climate of Australia as well. It will also take the heat and the humidity. So we are now late summer, super humid and hot, and you can see it is at its best basically. And the second lot of fruit will come in winter, during our subtropical winter. And by the way, I'm selling the young plants and also seeds if you want to grow your own. This one, I grew it from a seed and it started fruiting in the third year of growing, so pretty quick. If you grow it from a seed, I have a video, a dedicated video about it, where I explain how to. But also you can start straight away with a plant, so it will be much quicker, and we will see the fruit in most likely second year after planting in a good soil. It doesn't need good soil at all, but of course, as usually, if you plant it in a well-drained, good soil, you give it from time to time aged manure or compost, it will give you much better, much quicker, larger and better fruit. I'm harvesting every day. We enjoy it when we come into the food forest, and I have actually my bowl here, so I will harvest a few. Okay, just a few for now. I hope you can see them. This is the color where they taste the best, and they look like a bit of fuzzy and they feel as well the same. They are super juicy. They have the little tiny seeds similar to blueberries. They also, the taste is a little bit of kind of like a blueberry, not exactly the same. It's got its own flavor, its own taste, but this makes it also very special. And I freeze them as well, because when they really start with fruiting, there will be plenty of them at once. So I freeze them in these little bowls and use them in smoothies, in cakes, but also on its own when it's a hot day. It's a really nice treat. If you would like to know more about this beautiful fruit, head to my website, and there is lots of information how it grows, where it grows, and about the fruit itself. And I will say bye-bye for now, and I hope we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, is this hot?